Hi everyone, welcome to your Watch Me First for week 2. So this Watch Me First will give you an overview of what is happening this week and what are your assignments due. So let's look at the week 2 folder. In the week 2 folder, you're going to see all of these things. This Watch Me First is going to be posted on the very top over here. Okay. So you have is how do you define success, prejudice and discrimination, difference between race, ethnicity and culture, types of biases. These things are there to get you ready for your main assignment that is coming up, which is the cultural autobiography assignment. Okay, and that week 3 is going to be open very quickly too. This week you have two things to do. So the very first thing that you have to do is a perception quiz. This perception quiz is basically to see how perceptions are so powerful, and we can see something and we have different points of view to think about it, right? So that is what the perception quiz is. It is a completion grade. That means it is for 10 points and it has 8 questions. You complete the quiz, do the best that you can, and you get your 10 points. It is not graded for correctness. Now, if you do get some questions correct, you get bonus points for it. Okay, so this is like an easy, very easy grade. I want you to experience how we think about things in the different. So this comes from the Rebux Plus puzzles that are there. Is talks about different perceptions, how we are thinking about it. So that is your perception quiz. I'll repeat again, it's a completion grade. It is not about you getting correct points. It is about you experiencing it. Okay. The second one that you have is actually, I'm going to move my. So the second thing that you have here is your cultural incorporation activity, and this is a discussion board. In this discussion board, you're going to watch these videos, especially this video that you're watching. Or you, if I look at it, let me open it up and show it to you guys. So this is basically talking about you thinking about yourself and who do you surround with, and whether you are thinking about when you first do this, is it there diversity there or not, and what would you do to make those changes. Okay, so once again, your cultural autobiography assignment that's coming up, it's building onto that for you to really think about your own identity within the race, ethnicity, culture, geography, and all of those things. So this is your activity for this thing. You're going to put this on the code, on the discussion board. Let me go back. So you're going to put this on the discussion board. The discussion board is for 25 points, 20 points for your own post, and 5 points for replying to a peer. Your 20 points come from you actually putting the map out there and discussing those 3 questions, right? Giving specific example is important. So all of those things make up your 20 points on this post, and then 5 points for replying to a peer. So and then your perception quiz is for 10 points, as I said. So let's recap a little bit quickly. You have 2 things that is due. This is due on Wednesday. Remember, this is an 8-week course, so you have an assignment due Wednesday and an assignment due on a Sunday. This is due Wednesday. There is no late work. There is no late work accepted for the quiz. No late work accepted for the quiz. And then the other one is your cultural activity that is over here, that you do a discussion board. So this is what is due this week. Best of luck, and if you have any questions, don't forget to post them on the course question discussion board. I look forward to reading and seeing what you come up with.